Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Redeem the Google Play Recharge code in your Google account so you can access its value. Sign into Play. Google, or the Play Store app, choose Redeem and enter the code exactly. Once done, check the updated balance in Google Play. Make sure the currency and region match your intended use. Then switch to Amazon and sign into the target account where you'll apply funds indirectly. This sets the foundation for transferring value across ecosystems. You can't directly apply Google Play balance to Amazon, so convert by buying a transferable item or using a third-party exchange. For example, purchase a Google-approved gift card, app credit to sell, or use a reputable service that accepts Google Play and issues Amazon gift cards. Factor in fees and verification. Once you choose a route, follow the service's payment flow, enter recipient info or delivery email, and complete the purchase. Make sure to save confirmations and order numbers for follow-up. Finish by redeeming any Amazon gift card you received into your Amazon account. Go to Gift Cards, enter the code, and confirm the updated balance. If the intermediary transaction fails or the code doesn't work, don't panic. Collect receipts, screenshots, confirmation emails, and the original Google Play redemption record, then contact the service and both platforms' support. Make sure to mention region and currency issues and expect possible small fees. If necessary, dispute within the payment provider's timeframe to recover funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.